Hello everyone. Now let us we can discuss what is the earthing versus grounding. Some of the peoples have says the earthing versus grounding are the different, and some of the opinion both are the same. So what is the reality behind that we can discuss in this video. What is the general thinking behind that? Grounding is for the equipment safety, like we can earth the transformer neutral and the generator neutral. So they will says grounding is for the equipment safety, like we can earth the transformer neutral and the generator neutral for the equipment safety. And earthing is for the human safety. We can earth the equipment body to the earth, like motor body, transformer body, generator body, and many other electrical equipments like the feeder, JBs, etc. etc. So grounding is for the equipment safety and earthing is for the human safety. So now we can discuss these both are the same or the different. According to the IEC 6005019 standard, earthing and the grounding are the same. Earth and ground are the same. Both are the synonym. According to the IEC 6005019 standard. Another one more standard, IEEE 142207, that is also called the Green Book, recommended practice for grounding industrial and commercial power system. Earthing and grounding are the same. IEEE also says that the earthing and the grounding are the same. One more standard, that is our Indian standard 3043-2018, Indian standard code for Indian standard code of practice for earthing. They have the same meaning, earthing versus grounding. Our Indian standard also says that earthing versus grounding are the same. One more publication, that is CBIP, Central Board of Irrigation and Power, manual publication number 334. In this manual, earthing is referred to as ground. So according to CBIP, earthing versus grounding are the same. So we can discuss the four standard IEC 6005019, IEEE 1422-2007, IS 3043-2018, and CBIP 334. All the four standards are says that earthing versus grounding are the same. Either we can says that neutral earth or neutral ground, or we can says that motor body earth or motor body ground. They have the same meaning. But why they can use the two different words, earthing versus grounding? In European unions, normally earthing term is the more common, while in the American side grounding term is more common. So that is the European and Americans, they have used the two different words, earthing and the grounding, but they have the same meaning. Okay, and in the last of the video I have asked the two questions. That is question number 1, why do we use two or the more than two earthing and grounding strips for electrical earth, for equipment earthing? And 2, what is the safe current for the human body? If you know that, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you so much.